Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import AliExpress products to Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. One of the easiest ways to start a dropshipping store is by importing products from suppliers like AliExpress directly into your Shopify store. This saves time because you do not have to manually copy product images, descriptions, and details one by one. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. First, go to your Shopify sidebar and click Apps. Shopify apps allow you to add extra features and connect your store with other platforms. For dropshipping, apps like DSRS can help simplify the process of finding products and importing them into your store. Search for DSRS and hit Enter. Click Install to add the official AliExpress dropshipping partner app. Before installing, always make sure you are adding the correct app to avoid connecting your store with an unofficial tool. After installation, Shopify will ask you to review the permissions required by the app. Follow the prompts to create your free DSRS account. Once your account is created, you can access the DSRS dashboard, where you can manage product imports, settings, and other dropshipping features. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top banner and click Install to add the free DSRS extension to your Chrome browser. The Chrome extension makes it easier to import products directly while browsing AliExpress. Instead of switching between multiple pages, you can quickly send products to your DSRS account. Next, click on your DSRS settings and look for Application Management. Find the AliExpress card and link your account so DSRS can automate your orders later. Connecting your AliExpress account allows the app to communicate with your supplier workflow. This can make future order management easier when customers purchase products from your Shopify store. Now head over to AliExpress and search for any product you want to sell. When choosing products, focus on items with good customer ratings, clear product images, reliable suppliers, and reasonable shipping times. A good supplier can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. Hover over the item image and click the orange Add to DSRS button. The product will instantly transfer to your app. After importing, review the product information before publishing it. Product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing should be adjusted so they match your brand instead of looking like a copied supplier listing. Finally, open DSRS and click on your import list. Here, you can quickly edit the product title, description, and pricing. This is your chance to optimize the product page. A strong title, clear description, and competitive pricing can help customers understand the product value and improve your chances of making sales. When you are ready, click Push to Shopify. Check the box to publish and hit Confirm. Your product is now officially live on your storefront. After publishing, visit your Shopify store and check the product page from a customer's perspective. Make sure the images look correct, the description is easy to understand, and the product appears properly on mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import AliExpress products to Shopify. Using a dropshipping tool can help speed up your workflow, but remember that successful stores also depend on product research, branding, marketing, and providing a good customer experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.